You are welcome to the Wealthy Continent channel, a channel dedicated to the great people and continent of Africa. When you ask some Africans within and outside the continent, is Africa wealthy? You will hear a definite yes. Such might highlight the natural resources we have, the oil and gas, gold, arable lands, diamonds, copper, uranium, safari, and the water. Looking at all these things is one thing, and seeing is a different ball game altogether. Inasmuch as the information is partially right, these are not what makes us a wealthy continent. The question is, if we lack these things, does that make us a poor continent? The truth remains that we are a rich continent because of the great people of Africa. The true asset of the continent are the people. The natural resources are bonuses. People are our greatest asset, not things. It is the people that would give value to any natural resources on the continent. Without the prosperity of the people, the continent will be poor. Without the resourcefulness of people, the continent will remain underdeveloped or developing. Please note, the natural resources cannot refine themselves into finished products without the influence of the people. It is the touch of class of the people that will make the natural resources valuable. We need to value the great people of the continent. Our well-being is what defines the status of the continent. Remember, the place doesn't define the status of the people. It is the people that defines the place. It is the people that becomes innovative. It is the people that bats transforming life ideas. It is the people that establish systems. It is the people that makes research and development to help us to understand what we can use the natural resources for. Only resourceful people can give value to the bonuses of creation. We mustn't put the cart before the horse. Africa is rich. Africa is wealthy because of her people. Both the leadership and the people must place the development of our people as the highest priority. Refinement and trading of our resources must be channeled into investing more into the great people of Africa. We need to have established basic amenities in place for all. Clean water, good transportation network, effective security and defense, electricity, good education, good medical facilities, affordable housing, food security, good communication system. It is important to highlight that all basic needs are also channels of employment and empowerment of lives. Government policies and credit facilities must be in the interest of the people to explore the world of entrepreneurship. We need a controlled environment to thrive in anything we do as a people. A controlled environment is a conditioned environment. It's an environment where most things are deliberately done. An environment designed to know what is happening and how they are happening, creating an environment for growth in the right direction. Having a controlled environment is having an enabled environment. The same way a good seed will not grow anywhere but a conducive environment, so also with the great people of Africa. When the people are taken care of, countries and continent will be taken care of. When an enabled environment is consciously created, the government will have the largest purse because of the productivity of the people. The people remains the biggest asset of the continent. Human resources is priceless, especially in an enabled environment. We must make investment in ourselves the most important. We have great minds in Africa. We have strong people in Africa. We have pure potentials in many that are yet to be tapped. We must understand it is the prosperity of the people that determines the prosperity of the continent. We, the great people of the continent of Africa, are more important. The continent will matter when the great people of Africa comes first. The truth is that the government needs the people the same way the people needs the government. The collective responsibility is what will keep Africa progressing. The real wealth of Africa are Africans. And until we start investing in ourselves, our advancement as a continent will take a long time to emerge. And this would erode our relevance in the world. Please share your comments on how our people are valued. Does the life of the people and well-being matter in Africa at all? If you are getting value for your time, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking the video, and sharing with others. Remember, a candle does not lose its value by giving light to others. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.